Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to draw another kawaii food. Today we're going to be working on this taco. So I thought he'd be fun for Taco Tuesday. Alright, so all you'll need is a piece of paper, a pencil with an eraser, and a black outline pen to do the outline. Alright, so you're just going to take a piece of paper and we are going to start off with a slanted line. So that means it's not straight, it's not up and down, it kind of goes from one side to the other. So you see that? It's a diagonal line, it's slanted. It's not straight, it's leaning to the side. Now, that's going to be the bottom of our taco. I'm going to round this corner, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this very triangle-like shape, except there aren't any pointy sides. So it's going to be a rounded triangle. So I'm going to start with this rounded side. I'm going to come up to the top of my triangle, but remember I don't have pointy sides, so I'm still drawing a curved line. And then I'm going to come back down and curve it back in to that first line. So there I've got this soft triangle shape. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of squiggly lines to the side. And they kind of come up, curve down, go up, curve down, go up, curve down. I'm going to do that a couple more times in different areas. And what this is the lettuce that's peeking out of our taco. Now, I'm going to start at the bottom here. I'm going to make these bumpy lines. This is going to be our meat. Bumpy, bumpy. I'm also going to extend this line. I'm going to make it come a little bit further out, because it's going to curve. It's going to be the back part of our shell. So it's going to come out and it's going to curve up. And then it's going to sort of disappear. So it kind of curves in towards itself. Now I'm going to start adding some more of these lettuce squiggles. Just like that, to kind of fill it in. I also add little squares to kind of look like bits of tomato. And last, I do little dash lines, which are supposed to be the cheese. All right, so there we've got our taco. Now, because I just love Kawaii, I'm going to give him a smiley face. Now, you don't have to give your taco a smiley face, but he sure does look cute with one. And then I'm going to add some little dash lines. This is going to serve like the little burn marks that you get on a taco. All right. Last, since we've got our taco, we want to outline it. This is going to help it sort of pop out. Go ahead and get your black pen, black marker, whatever you have, and outline your lines. All right, and there we've got our taco. Now what I'd like to do is I'd like to take an eraser. After my ink has dried, I usually give it a minute or so. After it's nice and dry, I will take an eraser and I will lightly erase any pencil lines that are still showing. This is a nice way to clean up your drawing. So whenever we start with a drawing, we start with a sketch, which is why we use our pencil. just in case we need to erase and fix some things. And then once we're done drawing, or sketching I should say, then we can outline with a black pen and make it final. And then it looks really nice and complete. All right, guys, so there you have it. Taco for Taco Tuesday. All right, hope you guys are staying safe. Have a great day. Bye.